Hello guys, so this is my new loft bed. I got built yesterday and it's from IKEA. I forgot what the name of it was, but everything on it, not everything on it, but like most of the things on it are from IKEA. So it comes with like a drawer, a desk, these shelves, like very deep shelves. Like you just stick your hand through it, most of it. And then on this side, there's like a ladder with like these non-slip thingies on it. And over here, there's a closet. The only thing that comes, and it's a slow closing closet too. So there, it doesn't slam. So it only comes with like a metal rod and a drawer on the bottom over here. You could get like shelves or drawers separately and like attach them on it because it comes with like these whole things for like adjustable storage and stuff. And and then like here you put the actual bed, and your mattress can't be over like 8.25 inch or else it's like too dangerous to sleep on it. And I put some LED lights on like under the frame over here. I also got them from IKEA too, and that lamp is also from IKEA, and the chairs too, but like the chair comes separately. Also the drawers, you could get like a different version that comes with 3 drawers, like 2 small drawers and like 1 big drawer. Like this one would be split in half and then that one's just there. Or you could like get the same bed but with like different colored doors and stuff. There's like a pink version, a green, a gray, and yeah, the white. I got the white one. And every time I go out, like it fits decently. Like I could sit without hitting my head. So like it fits a standard ceiling in like most apartments and houses. And yeah, that's it. Well, please subscribe and like and goodbye.